how to change Bluetooth codec to mono stereo default on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search Bluetooth audio channel mode from here. Scroll down. You will see Bluetooth audio channel mode is here. Click on Bluetooth audio channel mode and you will see default mono stereo is here. So if you want to set mono, so click on mono. If you want to set stereo, so click on stereo. So if you want to set default, so click on default. After select default mono stereo, click on OK. You will see Bluetooth audio mode channel mode is changed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change Bluetooth codec to mono stereo default on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.